my leg.
Sorry.
They go. But this place is foul.
Far away.
Huh?
This will happen now. I'm from this barracks. I'm from the barracks.
So, sir, can we meet you? Your name, sir?
That's what I said.
Okay, no, forget about your name, sir. So can you tell us this area, sir? This area. Where is this area?
This is Agayoke area of Ijedodo. Okay. Yeah, and we are very close to Abuliado anyway.
So sir, when is this fire occur?
I think about 9 yesterday, 9 p.m. we had a blast, like a gunshot or bomb. By the time we came out, we saw flames of the pipeline burning.
So, as a resident of this place, what move are you people make?
Well, we cannot make any move because we are not an NPC, we are not government. It has been a recurrent event. Almost every year we had this fire burning something here. And each time the NNPC come, they try to put it off. But we the residents of this area thought that the best solution maybe is to make a true way from here down to Abuliado. So if it is a busy road, perhaps the vandals will not have cause to break and cause fire every year. And each time there is fire outbreak, we lose our poles, these electric poles, like 4 to 5. Then some months later, we won't even have any light. So
have you people complained to the proper authority?
Well, they are all aware of it. At least yesterday, when we called, the fire brigade men were here, some police trucks were here, and I know later today the NPC crew will be here. Sometimes they spend 2, 3, 4, 5 days a week to put up the fire and make some repairs. So they are aware of this problem. Well, I think it's best known to them why the problem has been recurring without solution.
So why the fire service brigade people cannot put the fire out?
Well, they have no access road to the place. In the past, there is a bridge wooden bridge down to that end, but now the wooden bridge is bad. So except those who can swim the swamp, otherwise they cannot get to that place, and it's far from here, so their hosts cannot get down to that place. So they have to wait until the fire is subsided, and it could subside only when NNPC stop their pumping. Once there is fire outbreak, then they will be alerted, then they stop the pumping. When they stop the pumping, the fire will come down until it is put off.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
All right.
Rose.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n, ó ti lọ.
Ṣé dúró ni?
Okay, my name is Mark Olani.
I live just around here.
What? Each time this thing happens like this,
It instills fears in people, it drives people from their homes because of the fear of this fire spreading to their homes and, people getting killed and all those ones. So yesterday when it happened, this family with me here, they had to leave their house, they had to come to my own place, which is a bit farther away from the pipe, from the fire area. So I'm just taking back to their house now after they've stayed in my family's house over the night. That is what has happened.
So, what advice do you have for government on this?
You see, I think the best thing for government to do is that this is not actually the road, people should be applying. This is pipeline right of way. So I believe there is a road actually linking this village with the outside world. Government should just come and help us and open up the road, do something on the road so that people will not pass over the pipeline. I believe traffic on the pipeline is also part of what is, causing the busting of the pipe over time because of the heavy traffic, heavy vehicles passing over it. So if they can make the right road that links this village with the outside world, I believe it's going to reduce the pressure on the pipeline. And the incidents of busting pipeline will not, occur again. That is my own submission. Thank you. God bless you.
Oh yeah, my boy. So, sir, can we meet your name?
I am Ibrahim Farinloye. I'm the information officer of the Southwest DEMA.
So, what would you say about the event happening now? We can see the lights still on it, and you people cannot get your way there.
Well, as you know, every disaster comes up with its own peculiarity. This one is posing a very difficult terrain because of the swamp area, and there is no easy access to it. But we are moving with NNPC. We have to plan on how we can reach there early today and put the fire out latest by this afternoon.
I hope there is no victims or anything that occur.
Well, from the information at hand now, especially from the residents, they said there is no casualties yet, but we are yet to confirm if there is or not.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Please, can we meet you, sir?
ACFS Addition from Lagos State Fire Service.
So, we've been here since midnight. Can you tell us about your men when they came?
Immediately the incident happened, my men came here, even the two stations, one from the Cotton Fire Station and one appliance from Mojo Fire Station, arrived here at that midnight. Even one sunk among the vehicles. Even the director came here overnight, but we were unable to get to the seat of the fire. Even I was called overnight that I should make sure that I came here again to come and see what is happening.
So, what's going to happen now, sir?
Even the NNPC site manager was informed that overnight yesterday of Mr. Kazim, and even advised us that we cannot get to the seat of the fire unless the fire been off by itself, because it's a swampy area and there is no means of getting there because it's almost a 3 kilometer away to the where the appliance can reach.